Hello, everyone. It is your girl, Linda Sims, the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am back to teach you another line dance. It is called Know Your Worth. It is a one-wall dance. There's three parts and a bridge. I'm going to give you step-by-step instruction, but before I do, if you're located in the New Orleans area and you're interested in cardio line dancing classes, please call 504-251-0674. And as a friendly reminder, this is the step-by-step instruction. If you're interested in dancing along to the music, watch till the end. Please like, subscribe, leave me a comment, let me know what you think, and let's go. So let's stand on this side of the room. So, let me show you where I'm going. I'm going to give you a part one. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's part one. So, part one, my weight is on the left. I slide right. I tap in, out, in. Then I'm going to do the same thing on the left. Slide left, in, out, in. I'm going to do a forward tap, tap right, tap left. I'm going to tap out to the side, tap right, tap left. And I'm going to do that sequence again. That's part one. So you do part one twice. Let's do it again. Slide to the right, tap in, out, in. Slide left, in, out, in. Front tap, right, left, side tap, right, and left. So let's do that twice, and that's part one. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Left 5, 6, 7, 8. Front tap. 1, 2, 3, 4. Side tap. 5, 6, 7. Do it again. Slide 1, 2, 3, 4. Slide 5, 6, 7, 8. Front tap. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, so that's part one. You're going to do twice. Now let's go to part two. We're going to move forward. Let me show you the step, and I'll come back and get you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So just like part one, I did it twice. Part two, I'm going to do it twice. So I'm going to start with a step sailor on the right and do a step sailor on the left. Step, sailor, step, sailor. My weight is on the left. I'm going to slide to the right. I'm going to tap back, out, and back. I'm going to slide to the left. I'm going to tap back, out, and back. And I'm going to walk back 4 times on the right. Right, left, left. Again, step sailor. Right, left, left. Right, left, slide right. My weight is on the right. I tap back, tap side, tap back. I slide to the left, slide left. I tap back, out, and back. Then I walk back on the right. Right, left, left. So let's do that sequence twice. 5, 6, 7, and step sailor. 1, 2, and 3, 4. Slide 5, back 6, out 7, 8. Slide 1, back 2, out 3, and 4, back 5, 6. Do it again. It's 1, 2, and 3, 4. Slide 5, back 6, out 7, 8. Slide 1, back 2, out 3, and 4, back 5, 6, 7, and 8. And that's part 2. So let's put part 1 and part 2 together. Okay, here we go. With the slide to the right. So let me give you a review. Part 2 we just did. So we slide right, tap in, out, in. Slide left, tap in, out, in. Front tap and side tap. We're going to do that twice. Okay, part 1 and part 2. 5, 6, 7, 8. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. Left 5, 6, 7, 8. Tap 1, 2, 3, 4. Side 5, 6. Do it again. Slide 1, 2, 3, 4. Left 5, 6, 7, 8. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. Side 5, 6, 7. Part 2. Step 1, 2, and 3, 4 and 5, back 6, out 7, 8, slide 1, back 2, out 3 and 4, back 5, 6, 7, 8, step sailor 1, 2 and 3, 4, slide 5, back 6, out 7, 8, slide 1, back 2, out 3 and 4, back 5, 6, 7, and 8. All right? So that's part 1, 2, and 3. 1 and 2. So part 3, we're going to do at all 4 walls. And it's going to be a V step with a triple step, a rock up, recover, quarter turn to our left with a V step. So this is how it looks. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And that's the step. So let's do it again. Right here, V step, right, left, right, rock up, recover, left, right, quarter turn to your left, left, right. You do that again. Right, left, right, rock up, quarter turn left with a triple, left, right. V step on the right, left, triple, right, rock up, recover, quarter turn with a left with a triple step. That is all of part 3. Part 3, you're going to do at all 4 walls. Let's do it again. 5, 6, 7, V step. 1, 2, 3, and 4, up 5, turn 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, up 5, 6, turn 7, and 8. It's 1, 2, 3, and 4, up 5, 6, turn 7, and 8, up 1, 2, 3, and 4, up 5, 6, turn 7, and 8. So part 3 moves counterclockwise because you're doing a quarter turn to your left. So that's 1, 2, and 3. So let's put it together. Part 1, we're moving side to side. Part 2, we're going forward. And part 3, we turning counterclockwise, doing the step at all 4 walls. All right, from the top. 5, 6, 7, slide. 1, 2, 3, 4, slide. 5, 6, 7, 8, tap. 1, 2, 3, 4, side 5, 6, do it again. Slide 1, 2, 3, 4, slide 5, 6, 7, 8, tap. 1, 2, 3, 4, side 5, 6, 7. Part 2 is 1, 2, and 3, 4, slide 5, 6, 7, 8, slide 1, 2, 3, 4, back 5, 6, 7, again, it's 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. V step. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Up 5, 6, turn 7, and 8. It's 1, 2, 3, and 4. Up 5, 6, turn 7, and 8. It's 1, 2, 3, and 4. Up 5, 6, turn 7, and 8. It's 1, 2, 3, and 4. Up 5, 6, turn 7, and 8. Okay? So we just did part 1, 2, and 3. Okay? So that's a full rotation. We're back at the front wall. You will start the dance over again at the same wall, so it's a 1-wall dance. And you do part 1, you do part 2, and you do part 3. Okay? Now the bridge. Okay? The bridge is going to be at the front and the back wall. What you do at the front wall, you're going to do at the back wall. So you're going to slide up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Roll back. 1, 2, 3, 4. You rock up and you recover and do a half turn. Right, left, left. No triple step. Okay? Because if you do the right, left, right, that means you have to slide up on your left. And she wants to slide up on the right. So you're going to go right, left. Rock up, recover, and just take 2 steps. From here, you're going to do the same thing. Slide up for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Roll back for 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rock up, recover. 5, 6, and 7, 8. And that's the bridge. That's simple. Okay? Now, there's a change in the dance. So then you would go back to part 3. You do the V step. 1, 2, 3, and 4, up 5, 6, turn 7, 8. 7 and 8, all 4 walls, okay? And then you end doing part 2, okay, with the step sail. 1, 2, and 3, 4, slide 5, back 6 and 7, 8, slide 1, back 2 and 3 and 4, walk 5, 6, 7, 8, and then you do it again, okay? So I just gave you the full rotation of the structure of the dance. So part 1, 2, 3, part 1, 2, 3, the bridge at the front and the back wall. Part 3, which is all 4 walls, and then it ends on part 2, with the sailor moving forward, doing it twice. That is Know Your Worth. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. I hope I see you in the next video. My name is Linda Sims. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.